we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing 2 Mullen posi-temp valves, and these came right out of Hajoka, so local plumbing supply house. And iron pipe is existing to the home. We took out the old fixture valves, the 2-handle shower tub valve that was in here. It's tub only, no shower riser. And so we gave you a new 90s, some new pipe nipples, a new union, of course, the valve, and then plugged off the top because there's no shower head. Here we gave you brass down to a 90 and then made a transition to copper. Homeowner has the spout already from Amazon, and it is a slip spout for copper. So that's why we have the brass here from the brass body, and then copper adapter soldered on, piece of copper stubbed out. Be mindful of this, everyone. This is, if you look at the back tub, and I'll show you here. So this portion right here is level, so this is the tub, and if you look at the camera across the bottom of this pipe stubbed out, the copper, you can see that it is plumb, which means it's not going up and it's not going down, which means, you know, it's not pointing up and it's not pointing down. So don't bump this, don't stand on it, don't bump it back and forth, don't torque on this because it is copper stubbed out, and that's what we're going to hook up to. So you can see there at the bottom it's perfectly level, and then of course square. I'll try and take a picture of this. You can see it's coming out of the wall at a right angle, so coming straight out of the wall, and it is copper. So you know, if you hit this too hard, then you'll have trouble, and we'll have trouble set and finish. So just be gentle with this. Got a full block back there, screwed them with screws. We couldn't screw these in all the way. It's a little toenail just to keep the block from moving because we didn't want to come out through the back side of the wall. We've got 2 up here going down into the stud, so that's good. So this one's done. The one that's in here, the shower, same valve. We took out the fixture and just put 90s on, little union, pipe nipples, the valve, and it's strapped. Again, that's the way it's supposed to get mounted, strapped here and here. And then a 3-foot riser up to, so you're 84 inches above floor like we talked about. Got it stubbed out. So right now water is on, and so you need to monitor this. You know, all the points of connection, every single threaded joint, here, 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 you know, all of this. As long as it's studded correctly, you won't have any problems, but you need to monitor it once we leave. You know, we've tested it all out. Water is on to everything. But just monitor this, you know, the longer you can hold off. I know the tile guy wants to get in here, but the longer you can hold off and just monitor this to make sure you have 0 water in here, then you're in good shape. Otherwise, once it's covered up, you just won't know. And we do pretty good work. I mean, we've been doing this 33 years, so you know, we like to check it and make sure, but there's no way to check it once we leave. So this is nice and secure. That was your existing block that was in there. We just screwed it back in, of course, toenail and a toenail, and then of course we got some screws in on the back side here for this one. Same thing up here, toenails in, brand new block up there, and then a strap. So this is solid, and they've already got the trim, cover plate, and the handle and everything for this. Cover plate and handle for the other one, and it's tub spout. So anyways, everything in here looks good outside of that. This installation is done.